In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pipedrive for follow-up calls. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to pipedrive.com and sign into your account. Then from there, we want to go ahead and find the deal you need to follow up with. So come over to the left-hand side, click onto deals, and now click onto the deal that needs a follow-up. For example, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one here. Now review the deal information, including the contact, previous activities, and notes. Then this is going to help you understand what was discussed before making the call. So we've got activity, we've got notes here you want to check out. We've also got documents. Now we need to go ahead and add a follow-up activity. So go ahead and click on the activity tab. Then from here, we can choose call as the activity type. Then we want to schedule the call. Now we need to enter a name for this activity. So for this demonstration, I'm going to call this a follow-up call, and then choose the date and time that you want to schedule this for. So say it's the 21st today. I want to schedule this for the next week at the same time. So I'm going to do 5:45. So this is going to be, say, a 15-minute call. We can choose priority, high, medium, or low. I'm going to give this a medium priority. Then from here, what we want to do is save this as well. So go ahead and click onto save. Now this is going to save that. So the follow-up call will now appear as an upcoming activity for the deal. So you can see here, this has been added in on under focus here. So when the scheduled time arrives, you want to open the deal and select the call activity. Make the call using your preferred phone system. Keep track of important information discussed during the conversation. And then once you're done, go ahead and mark the call. So when the scheduled time arrives, open the deal. And obviously, after finishing the call, return to the activity Pipedrive, and we want to mark the call as done. And then we can add notes here to summarize the outcome of the conversation.